Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the anti-aliasing setting in StarRupture. Let's begin by opening the options menu. Navigate to the video section and scroll down. Under advanced graphics there is the anti-aliasing mode and quality. Here you can choose between anti-aliasing mode, where none will result in no anti-aliasing, and this may produce a visible jagged edges, but is for the best performance, honestly. TAA is a balance between quality and performance. TSR is focus on quality. Here also you can choose the anti-aliasing quality from epic to high to medium to off. Make your choice. I will go with TSR and epic and hit apply. After that, hit back and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.